What's going on, guys? So today another video. We are going to be attempting to take the sunroof out. As you guys can see, this one is pretty clapped and beat up, so we're going to be taking that out and replacing it. Pretty much get in here, show you guys what all we need to do. So basically the plastic piece is already off of here, so you want to take this 10mm out and this one out, and there's two on the opposite side, and you just push up. One there and one back here. And you just push up on that and you're good to go. I need to take that out today, but I'm gonna get started on that. Just a quick video for you guys. So for those who have never taken out their sunroof, you figure out how to take this out. The one in there is pretty nice. I like that one. I'm gonna fix this today too. I'm rambling on with myself here. But yeah, I'm gonna fix this bad boy today. Everything else is coming super tight, except for this side and this side. I think I got a staple thing. I'll just fix it. All right, I'll be back when I take the sunroof out. All right, guys, so we're back. Some sunroof's out. So basically, all you gotta do is push up. 2 hands. When you take those 4 bolts out, gently push up, and whenever it loosens up, you come out the car and you lift it out. Pretty simple. So this is the one that's going back in. That's the one I'm taking out. Well, I took out already. Luckily, I have another Civic that I could take parts from, swap them. So yeah, gonna put this one back in because it's hot as, you know, whatever out here. So I'm gonna try to get this done as soon as possible. Pretty much goes back in the same exact way that it was before. You just gotta watch out for these right here. Make sure that you guys put those back in how they came or how they're set up. Just watch out for the grooves and line the holes back up properly, but you should be good. All right, let's get back to it. Show you guys the finished product whenever I'm done. All right, guys. So there's a trick to this that I just figured out to make it easier for you if it's your first time doing this. So the washers that are under the sunroof glass can be a pain when you're trying to put it back in. So I figured out an easy way of doing it to help you out. So you put the glass in, you want to line it up the best you can. Go inside. The trick is you come inside, turn around, look up, right? You're gonna look for where the bolts line up. The washers that go in here, you want to put them in from this side, from inside the car. So with that being said, you're gonna try to hold it up a little bit and slide the washers in. So just remember how many were on each side, and you slide them in from here because they got grooves in them. So you want to put them in the same way that they were before. As you can see, I did this side already. So that's what you want to do. This side's done. All I got to do is pretty much put the nuts back on and go from there. But yeah, this is the other Civic that we had it, sold it, got it back. So pretty much trying to take whatever I want from this one, swap them out. Of course, I'm not gonna just take it out completely. Whatever I need to change stuff out in that car to make it better. I think my next thing is gonna be to take this out and this out. It's a pretty clean car, man. Trying not to mess it up. Trunk is super mint, no rust, no nothing, as you guys can see. Usually there's rust all the way up here from water coming in on these older Civic and stuff like that. So yeah, All right, guys. So I think it's pretty much self-explanatory from there. You get the nuts. Hold on. Got them in my pocket. Give me a second. And like I said, they're 10mm nuts. Nuts. Pause. But yeah, put them on here. Screw them on. Usually what I do is I put one here, and then you go over and you put it on the opposite side in the back. And from there on, kind of like an X, I'm gonna do it. But yeah, nice day out. So we're outside, just chilling. Like I said, I'm gonna keep posting whatever videos I can, changing parts out. There is gonna be an update video on the car because I did get it repainted. Because you can see in some of the videos, see what color it is, but you guys can't really see the effect of it fully yet. So I'm gonna show video of that whenever I get a chance. I'm waiting on my boy. We're both doing a reveal video of both of our cars, so yeah. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna keep that. I just found something. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in another video, guys. Like, share, subscribe. See you guys later. Peace.